Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. So we just got our first AQ2D update for 2023 and it starts by Arctic saying how the game is registered for 2 conventions that will demo and promote the game in them. So hopefully by March we'll have a playable demo of AQ2D. They didn't exactly state that the demo will be available to us, the players, to test out and stuff like that, but yeah, let's be hopeful about that. There's also several important points in this article that we briefly go through, starting with the team working AQ2D, and it has like people you would expect like Kurumi and Ghost G6 and so on, but also it has a Spider that will be working on adding all the features that we currently have on Adventure Crossroads into AQ2D. So hopefully all the features like cosmetics, battle stuff, hiding players and stuff like that will be available during the launch of AQ2D. They also go on to talk about stuff that we already know, like how the game will run on 60 plus frames and it will have the WASD typical movement and stuff like that. Also they are working tirelessly on converting the 10,000 plus items onto AQ2D, and they have been like building tools to automate that process instead of like doing it manually. So they have, I guess, successfully built this tool, and it will take about 10 minutes to convert each item, or specifically armors. But if we presume that each item will take as much as an armor, which is 10 minutes, and we have 10,000 items, so in total we will have 100,000 minutes or 1,600 hours, which equates to 70 whole days just to convert the items from Adventure Crossroads into AQ2D, which does sound a lot, but guessing that the process is automated, not manual, I guess it's fine. The only problem when it comes to that is that these items won't have like any animation or color customization, because it's basically exported without the animations on them for some reason. But yeah, they are just trying to figure this out still. Then they go on to talk about how hair for some reason has to be done manually, not any other way. But anyways, moving forward to loot, they talk about loot mechanics and how when you kill an enemy, the loot will drop on the ground. You click on it and it will be added to your temporary inventory. Then you will choose to accept it or decline it into your permanent inventory, which does sound like too many steps for some reason. But yeah, also we'll have 2 types of cutscenes, the cinematic ones and the dialogue cutscenes. The dialogue cutscenes basically are the same as AQ3D. They are described as visual novel style cutscenes or talking heads. Not really looking forward to that one. But the cinematic cutscenes are, on the other hand, are like the one that we currently have in game right now, where your character is inserted into a cutscene with moving characters and stuff like that, which is like the standard one. But we all will like skip them anyways. But anyways, lastly we have what is described as breaking Adventure Crossroads Unity. Basically Arctic is saying that he's been playing a ton of AQ2D, just constantly testing and breaking the game over and over again, and when it eventually survives him, meaning that it will never crash and never like have any glitches or fail and stuff like that, then it will be ready for players to test out. Then the FFAs will start and we'll have like the Kickstarter and all this stuff. So yeah, hopefully all this is done by like 2023, not 2030 or something like that. We'll just like have to wait till March and see. So thank you all for listening and see you next one.